And we start with a Fox News exclusive this morning. Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi caught in a rather candid camera moment, promising to protect the rights of illegal immigrants to work in this country. Job protection for illegals while millions of Americans are out of work and sitting at home. Welcome to a brand new hour of America's Newsroom, everyone.
California Democrat caught talking, Nancy Pelosi that is, to a crowd that included many illegal immigrants, calling for an end to workplace raids. This is the unemployment rate for legal Americans keeps climbing.
Yeah,
greater than 8%.
Bringing William Lajeunesse in now. He's live in our Los Angeles bureau with more on this. William, good morning. All right, what exactly did the House Speaker say?
Well, the Speaker is upset at the current enforcement of immigration law, but many feel that her comments went way too far. We have some video that was shot 10 days ago at St. Anthony's Church in San Francisco. This is where the Speaker made her remarks. She was appearing before a group of legal and illegal immigrants and their children at this church in San Francisco, and she said it was un-American to enforce immigration law where immigrants live or work, and she referred to these as raids.
Who in our country would not want to change a policy of kicking in doors in the middle of the night and sending a parent away from their families? It must be stopped. What value system is that? I think it's un-American. I think it's un-American.
I think this was political pandering to the crowd, but I think it was also insulting to American citizens who consider themselves to be patriotic because they obey the rule of law, employers that obey the law and only hire people that have a right to those jobs.
Now, Rick Altman, he is the gentleman who shot that video up at the church. He said there were hundreds of people there. This was open to the public. The San Francisco Chronicle was there. Now, I asked the Speaker's office for a comment yesterday if she could explain what she meant by enforcement being un-American, and I have yet to receive a response. Megan?
Interesting, William. So what if anything, did Nancy Pelosi say should be done about illegal immigration? She doesn't like the raids, which, you know, are controversial, however effective they may be. What does she think should be done?
Well, it would be nice to ask her, but I didn't receive a reply. There's this ongoing debate, if you will, on interior enforcement. Once an immigrant gets beyond the Border Patrol, should ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, go into communities? And worksite enforcement was a big priority, of course, of President Bush and Michael Chertoff, and they've made great strides. And immigration enforcement has many pillars to it. And going into communities and trying to go after employers often means you have to arrest the employees who are illegal. Now, this was so she basically is taking a major part of DHS's strategy and saying they should throw that out the window.
Well, the old
that
DHS,
is controversial.
the old DHS, the DHS under President Obama does not look the same as it did under President Bush.
Well, we are going to touch on that tomorrow, Megan, about the holding pattern that enforcement is in this country right now, because these people, and I talked to many agents yesterday, they are sitting on their hands frustrated, and I will tell you that they're very upset at what Pelosi said. They feel insulted because they are enforcing the law that her Congress helped pass.
Yeah, and now they're being called thugs for doing it. William Lajeunesse, we will continue to try to get reaction from Nancy Pelosi's office. They're always very quick to call us back, but we're going to continue to try. William, thanks so much.